Hi, everyone. So at this point, I would have caught up with the backlog in assignment grading. So you can go ahead and just verify that you got the grade you would expect. And if you have any questions, just reach out and we can meet to discuss. This week, just to finish up the housekeeping, we have a quiz. Your second quiz will be this week. And we also have your next assignment. The main topic this week will be on resources, and those are artifacts in our apps, in our projects that are not code. So anything that's not a class, a Kotlin class, potentially a Java class, libraries that contain things that we can create objects from. Um, Anything else is a resource. So things like images, layouts, and as we'll see, you can pretty much turn anything that isn't code, strings, numbers, colors, things like that, are resources that can be referenced. And it goes much deeper than we're going to cover in this video. Things like uh, binary files, like videos, audio, those can also be resources, although we won't really get that far um, with our examples. So once we've covered that, we're going to look at how resources. First, we'll just talk about how Android allows us to provision resources and alternate resources, and how Android uses that to make sure that our applications can be localized. That is, the resources can be swapped to a specific resource set that matches broadly. It matches a specific device configuration, but when we talk about localization, we tend to think of things like regions and languages. So we're going to see how we can create applications that are able to present themselves using different things like different languages depending on the user's region and area and selected language. And I believe that will be the last thing we'll do before spring break. Once we get back, we'll continue with our our topics, and I believe we'll be moving into fragments, but don't quote me on that. I'll double check. Yeah, so resources, quiz, assignment, and again, you can double check your grade to see what and anything that you may want to meet about. Once we hit spring break, I am available via email, although if I'm being honest, I'm not as prompt. So please, again, if you need something addressed, please be mindful of the time and try to reach out earlier rather than later, so I have time to get around to it and to reach back to you. All right, folks. Good luck.